What is going on, guys? We're back with another video today, and the video I posted on Wednesday was me picking up the Camaro on Tuesday. It's now Friday, and I'm doing my first mods. And right now we're going to pick up my mod at UPS. Another thing I want to point out, I still haven't filled up gas yet. I drove almost 300, 400 miles since I picked up this car, and I have not yet to fill up gas. Obviously, I'm gonna have to probably fill up before I head up to Sean's shop. I'm probably gonna fill up before I actually go to UPS, but that still makes me very happy because, like I said before, this car is very, very good on gas. It's actually better than the Mercedes. I don't know if it's because of the 8-speed auto when I think the Mercedes was a 6 or a 7. So I don't know if that helps out at all, but honestly, I love this car. I have not had one complaint yet. Actually, I lied. I do have one complaint. This mirror right here, I'm gonna try to show you guys, likes to shake. So if anyone in the comments down below had the same issue, this mirror shakes. So when I'm driving in the wind, it's going like that. Not that intense, it's probably like that. But it's still really annoying. So if anyone's had that same issue, please let me know. But seriously, if anyone had the same issue, let me know how you fix that. I am under factory warranty, so I may take this to a Chevy dealership at some point, see if they can look at it. I tried looking at the clips behind it. When you push it out, it pops out completely. So I push it back in, it clipped in, but it's still very loose. So I don't know if there's two clips and one clip's broken or what I need to do. I haven't seen any videos on it, and I checked forums and I couldn't really get a good answer. So I'm gonna see what happens. So yeah, like I said, if you guys have anything, so if you guys know what's going on with the mirror, please let me know. It would be a great help. If not, like I said, I'm gonna take it to a Chevy dealership. Hopefully they can figure it out. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's just a little bit annoying when you're driving on the highway and the mirror is kind of shaking a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go pick up the package, and I will see you guys at UPS. Hey guys, so I just got to UPS. I went inside quick. I got the package. Yes, I got a cold air intake. I got the intake from Cold Air Inductions. Right now I have to drive to Sean's shop. I got to take my old intake out, put this one in, and then after that, I'm actually getting the car tinted. So I just unboxed the Cold Air Inductions cold air intake. I didn't take everything apart yet just because I'm starting the process on removing the old one. And as you can see, I got the elbow removed now. I got to remove the box, and then hopefully I can start installing this one, and then I can show you guys the sound clips and tell you if there's any difference in performance, if I notice anything right away. They do have dyno sheets for this cold air intake, and I believe it's 15 more horsepower in torque. I could be wrong, but it is on their website if you guys want to check it out. They do have cold air intakes for everyone's vehicle, especially Chevys, so definitely check them out. Sean helped me a little bit because it was a pain in the ass to get this tube back on. We're just tightening some clamps and then plugging the battery back in, and we're going to see how it sounds. So as you guys can see, cold air intake is finally installed. You got the Cold Air Inductions badge there. Goes all the way up into the throttle body. There is some other part that they gave me. I don't know if I'm going to use it yet. It's for noise reduction. Basically goes onto the throttle body. I'm going to drive with it first to see if it's too loud or annoying. If that's the case, then I'll end up putting that on. I don't think I'm going to have an issue just because the exhaust might overpower the sound of the cold air intake anyways. But everything is hooked back up. Huge shout out to Sean, because Sean was able to get the tube on. It was being a pain in the ass for me, and he helped me out with a few other things. So shout out to Sean. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive right now, give you guys some sound clips and everything else, and I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. So you can definitely hear the intake while driving when you step on it. I don't know if you can hear it on the audio of the camera, but when you give it some gas, you can hear a slight little whistle noise, which is the intake sucking the air in. And it's definitely more throaty now. It's like a deeper growl. So another thing about this intake is it's gonna help out with your gas mileage a little bit. Don't expect a crazy dramatic change, but 1 or 2 miles to the gallon probably is gonna happen. But other than that, like I said, you're definitely getting increased torque, increased horsepower, so it's definitely a good install. Another thing I like about this intake, it kind of represents the intake that you would normally buy from GM. You can buy an aftermarket intake for them. Pretty much the same thing, but theirs is a lot more expensive, and obviously the dealer's probably gonna end up installing it for you. So compared to $300 to $400, you're gonna be spending almost $700 to $800. So something else I wanted to point out, wheels are really dirty because obviously the Brembos make a lot of brake dust, but see this black? No idea what it is. Friends and I were thinking like overspray, and then we thought it could have been like the wheels were bent and the guy heated it, but it's on that wheel. It's on this wheel. It's not on this wheel at all. And then this is the worst one that has it. It goes all the way around. So what I'm gonna do is actually plasti dip the wheels for now. I do wanna get new wheels eventually anyway, so it's not like entirely that big of a deal. Just kind of annoying, because if I wanted to keep the wheels silver, I obviously can't because there's this black line on it. And now that I know it's there and been noticing it, every time someone like comes to look at the car, they keep asking, oh, what's that black mark? So it's kind of annoying. So right now I'm gonna go to Stop and Shop because I need to get plastic bags so that way I can cover the brakes. It looks a lot better than the silver with the black all over it. Some plastic dip on the wheels that I have to rub off. Car looks a lot better with the black. Tint actually fell through. I was supposed to get that today and the guy had to reschedule. He said I might be able to do it tomorrow, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated with that. Tomorrow is gonna be Saturday, so that's probably where you're gonna end up seeing this video. And hopefully by then I'll end up having the tint. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you wanna see more mods in the Camaro, make sure you subscribe. Also comment down below what you wanna see for mods. If you guys like the black wheels, if you guys like the intake. If you have any questions about where to get the intake, like I said, it was from Air Inductions. The link's in the description. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.